Imagine giving your home or your next project a truly luxurious finish that radiates elegance and wealth. Today, I am going to show you how to create one of the most sorted Arthur finish in the paint world, gold oil paint. Whether you're a do-it-yourself, a choices or a professional paint manufacturer or a decorative painter, this paint is a must learn if you are aiming for that high-end glossy and expensive looks. But before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos and our free ebook or discount prices for any of our paint courses. Now let's get into it. So what makes gold oil paint so special? Gold gloss paint often refers to as luxury paints. They are significantly more expensive than other oil-based paints. This is because they use a gold base in their production, a chemicals that can cost anywhere from $25 to $50 per kilogram, which is from 25,000 naira to 50,000 naira in Nigeria, depending on where you are located. But here is the thing, once you see this finish, you will understand why it is worth every penny. Gold oil paints are known for their rich, reflective gloss and long-lasting durability, making them the perfect choice for projects that need to be elegancy and sophisticated. Now let's talk about how to make this luxury paint. Here is a list of the chemicals paint. 1. Gold base. This chemical is the most important chemical giving the paint its signature gold hues and luxurious look. 2. Acrylic resin. This acts as the binder, helping the paint adhere to surfaces and giving it durability finish. 3. Dryers. Dryers speed up the drying time so your paint cures more quickly. 4. Texanol. This is an important solvent that helps with paint flow evenly. Sorry, I have to reduce the way I'm talking because I guess I was talking faster. 5. Kerosene or xylene. This is used to tint the paint and makes it easier to apply. 6. Anti-skin. This chemical prevents the paint from forming a skin while it is stored. And all these chemicals come together to create a paint that not only looks stunning, but it is durable and weather resistant, making it perfect for both indoors and outdoors luxury projects. All right, let's start mixing here. So here is a simple breakdown of how to put everything together. First of all, first measure out your gold base. This is the heart of your paint. So be precise with the quantity. Next, add all your acrylic resin. This will ensure the paint has a strong bond and long-lasting finish. 3. Slowly pour in Texanol to help everything mix smoothly and improve the paint leavening. Yes, you can use Texanol for water-based paint and oil-based paint. I know most of you will be surprised hearing Texanol. It's just like DOP. You can use DOP for water-based paint and oil-based paint, but you have to learn how to make use of them because a chemical that is used for both water-based paint and oil-based paint should let you know that there is a process in the usage. So number 4, add a bit of kerosene or xylene to tint the paint and improve application. Be sure to add it gradually, please, to get the right consistencies. Finally, include the dryer and anti-skin to prevent to help with the drying and preservative. So make sure to mix everything thoroughly so that the gold base is evenly distributed throughout the paint. Now, you will see the shine. This is why gold oil paint is the gold standard for luxury finishes. The depth of this color in this paint is just beautiful. Now you might be thinking, why should I invest in gold oil paint? Well, aside from its stunning finish, gold oil paint offers long-lasting value. It is weather resistant, durable, and can be used on a variety of surfaces from walls to furniture. It is especially popular for luxurious interior design projects, giving your space a rich glossy look that can't be achieved with standard oil-based paint. So before we wrap up, let me remind you that gold oil paint is just one part of the luxurious oil-based paint family. In our next video, I'll dive deeper into a specialized product called gold oil paint for outdoors project. So be sure to stay tuned for that. And one more thing, if you missed our live stream, I apologize also for not showing up last week. But I have a great news. I've decided to go live every Wednesday for a new series called Ask Gleaner Live Color, Paint and Home Solution. It will be your choice or your chance to ask me anything about paint, production, color mixing, or home improvement. So don't miss out. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment below if you have any question about gold oil paint or your current project. Until next time, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.